pancakes. May traffic, kasi traffic eh, diba? Iba rin talaga yung guest na bukas. Ginagawa sa atin ang kasama ng pizza. Ayun yata, ang garnets natin, ayan na. Ginagawa sa, grabe, siksik na tumahapaw ang tao dito sa SM. Of course. And we are very excited to taste the pancakes. Ay, ayun na, nalabas na. Ito na. Ako ba ang magbibigay? Ay, ayun na. Mga kasama ko sa bahay, si Kuya Randong, si Kuya Lester, Kuya ang mga pangalan niyo. Edgar and Kuya Noah.
May camera po sa likod.
Wow.
Ay, oh, look at the pancakes. They all get pancakes. You have to give it a taste. Give it a whirl. Ayan.
Ayaw, hindi pa kasi kami ko.
Si Edgar. Parang ito, favorite ko na po pancake sauce na to eh. Nakita niyo ba? Favorite ko to.
Ay, ang sige.
Sige, bibigyan kita. Sana bukas, di ba? Ganun talaga minsan.
Yan. Actually, bahay ko to siya.
Okay. Oh, thank you so much. Served by Isadora Saddle.
Tikman niyo rin. Ganyan ako.
Okay.
Dami pala ng bigas ko na. Pancakes.
So, pancakes really go well with the syrup.
And it's a perfect snack or meal for kids pag nag-playdate sa bahay. Kaya pancakes ang naisip ko. Inuto talaga.
Feel ko na sarap.
So, magsabi ko. Mamaya mag-thank you ako. So, dapat mag-thank you.
Okay. So, what was in the menu ba?
Of course, bukod sa pancake, syempre, pag nag-invite tayo ng mga bata sa bahay, hindi natin sila. Pinili natin kasi kasama yung mga nanay, minsan yung mga yayang sumasama. Kailangan talaga may pagkain. So I opted to make some mini burgers. Syempre para sa'yo, ano ko mahilig sa burgers?
Yes.
Gusto mo bang makita?
Yes.
Naman. Ikaw na, I'm so proud. Panoorin po natin ito. Up for the challenge, making mini burgers for the moms and all friends using Metro Starter Set B. The stainless steel fry pan is perfect to sear the patties. Cooking something on your own feels like a win. Hope they enjoy this, even if they're just starting out. Celebrate every small success. Nakita mo, gumawa ako ng mini burgers at sobrang saya ko at proud ko na na-accomplish ko. But that is all thanks to my Metro Starter Set B. Ang ginamit ko dito yung stainless fry pan, which is, I really love the stainless pan. Kasi feeling ko chef ako.
Okay.
Oo, di ba?
You didn't bring anything.
Napaka-legit talaga eh.
Kaya ako sa'yo.
Thank you.
And of course, dahil sa nakita nila yun, and I'm sure natakam sila with that, maybe parang gusto niya tikman yung mini burgers.
Gusto niyo bang tikman? Ayun na. Kuya, thank you.
Grabe naman itong Metro Gold. Nagpapapusok ng audience.
Diba? Solve ng
Gusto nila art, gusto nila tattoo. And you know what? This is once again my favorite ketchup. That's ketchup. Pero si Dea, paano si Dea? Beef. Does she have an accent?
Minsan British or sa Bisaya.
I have an
Pero maturo ako mag-Bisaya sa ano.
okay accent niya. Here.
Ayan. Ang sarap naman. Sinabi ko kasi
Hindi ba naman?
oh, thank you.
It's super restaurant quality sisi.
Nakita niyo naman yung ginawa ko sa
Chef ka na.
I'm
JF4.
always bedroom kasi it makes me win in life.
These are winning in life.
Thanks so much. Diba? Alam mo, I still can't believe that I was able to pull that conversation.
And of course, what I can't believe is, ang laman, we grab eco-friendly plastic bags sa house.
Tingnan na lang natin to.
Okay, gutom ka na. Go.
Yes, reusable package siya na cute and you can really use it whatever the season, kahit tagulan, magagamit ito. And these sets are so helpful if you're confused which cookware to start with. Minsan kasi na-intimidate tayo. Ano kayo? Pag tumingin ka, pag tumingin ka, minsan, ano ba dito yung binunin ko? So, never was able to trust my providing us with starter sets that are really good for beginners like myself.
Kasi naman po, eco-friendly packaging at bagay na bagay sa ating makulat na weather kayo.
At sa sobrang sulit na ito, gusto ko na nagbigay na ako sa family ko. Sobrang love na love nila itong starter sets na to. So, in fact, alam ko magugustuhan ng lahat, kaya talagang ginawa tayo ng starter sets na to. And this is now available. The guests will have the opportunity to buy some of the limited sets that you see here because I'm sure these will be gone before the month because at the end of the month na ito si
Hanggang August 31 lang to, and you know what, what's inside? You get like an actual value of 500-600 pesos.
because
Per set.
yes, because it comes with not only the pans, but it comes with kitchen tools. Diba? Sulit na sulit tayo dito sa dito.
And of course, it's exclusive at SM. And this is a, you know, you look like a food talaga in your window. And I would like to give a shout out to Metro's chef consultant and an extraordinary chef, Mr. Chef Christopher Rojas.
Siya po talaga ang dahilan, bukod sa metro, kung paano, Chef Chris, palapakan po natin si Chef Chris Rojas. Si Chef Chris guided me through my cooking journey. Sabi na talaga, ganito na, he made me feel confident. Bukod syempre, sa ating cookware. So thank you, Chef Chris. I love you.
You know what, I panic po. Siguro wala kang kapatid.
Uy, kasi syempre parang bihira ka rin, tapos pinifilm ko pa ng lahat ng tao. Buti yung magkamali ka sa bahay mo, pero pag ang daming nakatutok na camera sa'yo, ang hirap, nakakakabadi po ba?
Pag documented, iba yung dating.
Iba yung dati. Buti na lang hindi po ako pinag-live cooking. Pero maganda din, pwede din kasi comedy po talaga yung labas. Ayaw. Okay, next time po, live din.
And of course, we would like to thank SM Home and the SM Store for making it accessible for people to be here and for people to buy and hoard and get now. Dahil mag-August 31 lang na. Freebies.
And of course, speaking of pagpapasalamat, bukod sa SM Home, ako po ay napakalaki ng aking pasasalamat to my Metro family. Thank you so much for allowing me to check on something very important sa aking bucket list.
Yes.
And that is to be able to cook for my loved ones. So dahil dyan, natutulungan nila ako magkaroon ng confidence in the kitchen and to be a better mother to my Bea Amian. So thank you so much to my Metro family. A big shout out to Mr. Naresh.
Yes.
Miss Diana. to help the brand and to represent Metro's vision in of providing cookware and tools that enable everybody to conquer their kitchen fears. So thank you so much for that. And to everybody, if you're just getting started or if you want to begin again, let's say, kalimutan na lang magluto, pinalimutan for a while, you want to begin again. Nowhere else to begin, the perfect place to begin is with Metro. So Metro makes it easy for us to begin.
Okay, so, well, I think we have to get going because I'm sure the moms are excited to give our offerings a try. And of course, with Metro Cookware,
pwedeng subihin ang ating starter kits. And of course, cooking is namin easy peasy, just a little bit easier with Metro Cookware. And I always say, we all have to start somewhere, and I choose to start with Metro.
And of course, I would like to thank our brand, our Metro brand ambassador here, Ms. Isadora Gonzalo Winto.
Thank you. Sorry.
Dito ka. Doon sa gitna. Sir. Photo. In the middle. Photo in the middle. Don't be shy. And of course, I would like to invite our guests. Let's commemorate this time with Isa. Let's go take a have a photo for today there in front with her. Diba? Commemorate this event. And of course, well, waiting for the full opportunity, feel free to look around, look at what we're talking about, the Metro Home Cookware set. Enjoy our coffee, our cocktails, our food, and of course, enjoy purchasing this cookware set. Okay, there's Isa with the Metro owners.
Hindi ka pupunta ng ano? GMA?
Hindi po ako nag-cover pag-network event.
Red Wings is very good.
Kapag Jimmy Pictures.
Kanila na yun.
Pero hindi po pinapayagan pag-network.
Thank you so much. And for our influencers, let's commemorate this event.
Paano po sa kita?
Please feel free to get a photo opportunity with her.
Basta I'll call you when Mama's done, ha?
Gusto Star Magic. Hindi lang si Star Magic. Wala.
Guys, ito ka. And you can also get food. Get cocktails or coffee.
Pero ako, habang ko naman konti, kasi sorry lang, hindi. Content tapos huwag lang din naman nila. Hindi ako video ko. May ganito ako. Siyempre, ba't pala nila po sa grabe na sila?
They're also available to purchase. On the Metro sales, everything will be available to assist you. So it's all around the SMU floor. Please feel free to
Hindi,
check
pero
it out.
nawala na yung high.
Matagal din naman kasi bago nila.
One day. Nung wala yung high.
Yun ng 1 hour.
Siyempre, pag wala na doon nila siyempre,
Hindi siya
nataas pa yun eh.
Hindi siya nakaka-copyright.
Welcome back today.
Hindi ko tinig na yung nakaka-copyright o kaya copyright, wala rin yung copyright.
Oo.
Eh, paano pag na-release? Wala pa rin.
Hindi na kayo.
Hindi na included.
Pero magkakaroon parang din siya. Kaso, hindi siya. Kasi nag-stop. Nawala yung argument. Kasi nawala ka yung words. Hindi na may share.
Parang hindi na tayo nagkita
Yung ba yun? Ayun na. About 1 million. Next day, pag-5 million pa siya.
Our usher will help you with a photo opportunity with Isa. Just please go to Miss Fatima over there in the white shirt, Metro photo.
Sila kasi yung
I'm sure these are moms, though. These are moms influencers who cook. The ones who are here. Yes. Wow.
Executive meeting for hindi siya kasama.
What was it?
Thank you.
Pala itong lagyan ng sugar. Maganda talaga siya. Gising talaga yun. Ano yung missing ito?
Maaga pa.
Eh, pwede, 500 pesos na. Nakatulog na ba, ma? Ikaw, gusto mo siya kayo sa baba.
Ikaw ang sinasabay ko para dito.
Saan ba po? Ano, doon na rin yun?
Tatawin ko nga lang.
Yes, in the department store, and the establishment is here to take a photo of with his adorable salon. What do you think naman of our kitchen to
Kung ayaw mo naman, hindi mag-grab
price
na ng
very well? Very good for the first time only. Bongga, diba? Can you get the starter set for $9.99? Oh, and the other one is $129. Oh, here we have a dance of SM. Coca-Cola.
Hindi naman start yung bus. Ano mo ba? Ganun yung
Super smile. Parang hindi kita si Madam dun sa isang frame. Squish. Oh, squish.
ano yung makayasal ba?
Has everyone tried the pancakes and the burger? You should try it with the ketchup na favorite ko, tsaka yung syrup na favorite ko na pancake syrup. Yeah. Just look at the brand here later. Here, take a photo. You know what? You can also eat it. Kahit you can also try it.
Hindi ko naman mag-strawberry siya.
Thank you, SM Madams.
Parang
Sa
palisbal.
unang scene, pero pag sunod-sunod na siya.
So I would just like to remind that the starter sets are already available on the floor. Our election staff, associates will help you get acquainted with it.
Ay, pabalik pa. Pwede naman. Mas naman pa.
Ganda naman yung babae in red.
Hindi, maglalakad ako.
Or is it on the side? Swerte ang red, yes. Pasok buenas.
Bago masok. Kasi
Swerte din ang price tag of $9.99 ng extra cook. Their set
ay, parang
Set
ako.
A. Diba? Ang ikot numbers. Swerte.
Hindi ako nag-subscribe. Ay, kaso, kailan mo lang, sila ako. Yung mga one, ano oras po? order niya pa lang, kung siya
Parang TikTok na yata yung nagagawa ni John Sisi.